Hello, I'm Mayumi, a mortgage officer at Next Lending, specializing reverse mortgages. If you are 62 or older and possess significant equity in your home, a reverse mortgage might be the ideal solution to eliminating those burdensome monthly payments while unlocking your home's equity. I offer assistance in both Japanese and Spanish besides English to ensure you fully grasp the process and its advantages. Are you ready to explore your options? Please reach out to me using the request form linked below to schedule a no-obligation Zoom meeting. Let's discuss how a reverse mortgage can benefit you. Thank you for your time, and I'm excited to help you achieve financial peace of mind.